I always want to do better, always want to do more and I'm never satisfied with where I am. मैं as an actor excited तब होती हूँ जब मुझे कुछ थोड़ा challenging लगे. A Panipat where I was like I don't know how I'll look Marathi and how will I feel like a Maharashtrian girl. Luka Chupi was more closer to me, I would say. Yeah, it was based in Gwalior and all of that, but she was still a little more modern headed girl. Audience बहुत अलग-अलग तरह की है. You know, सबको एक तरह की फिल्में नहीं पसंद. Hi guys, I'm Kriti Sanin and you're watching Bollywood Hangama with Faridoon. Keep on watching.
We've known Kriti Sanin since the time that she started doing her Hero Panti, and now she has become a superstar and we are having her back with us. Pleasure having you back with us, Kriti.
Pleasure talking to you in person.
After quite some time.
After very long.
How do you respond to this facet that you're enjoying, I think, a fantastic run right now. You're having some really big films. Films are being written with you in mind. You've just had Mimi, which has showcased you in a light never before, and you've worked very hard on that. So कैसा लगता है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है यार. This is something that obviously plan तो मैं नहीं करती हूँ, but I am very very ambitious. You've known that about me. I always want to do better. I always want to do more, and I'm never satisfied with where I am. But I think right now, with the kind of films that I'm shooting for, the kind of films that thankfully, fortunately, I have on my plate, it is a very exciting time as an actor. You know, when you have all your films sort of not clashing in zones and, you know, belonging to very different genres, very different characters, that variety is something that every actor craves for. And of course, the validation that Mimi has given me in a way, you know, the kind of love which is still pouring, because that's the beauty of OTT release, where you know they're still watching it and still going on. That is very very satisfying and also very boosting in a way, because you know you feel like, okay, my sensibility is resonating with the audiences, they're liking my work, so maybe I'm doing something right, and it just also boosts your confidence to kind of do something more different, you know. अभी normal सी कोई story जो है वो exciting लगती नहीं है. कुछ उसमें होना चाहिए हटके.
I think that is something which is very essential, and I'll come to that shortly. We'll come to that. It's releasing on OTT as well. We'll come to that shortly. But so I spoke to Nupur a few months back, and she said that what you have told her is something that you have to be very very hardworking. You should never get satisfied with what you're doing. I think that is something that has maybe brought you this far, the fact that you've pushed your own limits constantly. Yeah,
I am. I mean, I'm not easily satisfied. I'm very critical about myself and what I'm doing. I'm always feeling like और करना है, और कुछ मिल सकता है. I'm still not, you know, excited and all of that. And I feel that I've not had any kind of training. So for me, it's all been a journey and learning on the job, and that's been the process. I'm still finding and figuring my process in some ways, which is what I like. I don't want to limit myself saying कि अरे मैं ऐसे करती हूँ या मैं ऐसे approach करती हूँ scene. I want to try different things and not be limited. So that's what keeps me exciting. Otherwise, I'll become very monotonous. I'll become the same in every film. So I don't want to do that.
Right. एक और interesting चीज़ है. I think the choice of scripts that you've been doing, I think they've been really consistent. They've been really good. What has been interesting is that आपने पता नहीं consciously किया है या फिर unconsciously किया है, that maybe आपने वो एक leak से जो हट के script selection है वो आपने शायद करने की कोशिश करी है. I'll give you why I'm saying that. जैसे Ayushmann Khurrana calls you Pretty Sanin. It would have been very easy for you to do those modern girl looks and those sort of you know commercial entertainers which you've done anyways. But जैसे बरेली की बर्फी for example, जिस तरीके से आपने किया कि एक small town की है कहानी है और वो उसमें आपने एक किरदार के लेवल पे आप सामने आई, then you kept on choosing such scripts, and हम दो हमारे दो is I think a continuation of that process as well. Do you think that this conscious attempt maybe to have a different appeal जो आपको आसानी से आता है वो ना करके you've tried something different?
So I think मैं as an actor excited तब होती हूँ जब मुझे कुछ थोड़ा challenging लगे जी, या फिर मुझे कोई story इतनी ही अलग लगे कि मुझे लगे कि यार I want to be a part of this film. Sometimes it's also that. Sometimes it is that okay, this role is so away from me, I want to play her. You know, that's exciting as an actor. So maybe sometimes some decisions have happened because of that. where I feel कि मैं खुद को यहाँ देख नहीं पा रही हूँ, but मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा ये करना. You know, whether it is a Bareilly Ki Barfi, whether it is a Panipat, where I was like, I don't know how I'll look Marathi and how will I feel like a Maharashtrian girl, you know, or even Mimi for that matter.
Luka Chupi is it?
Yeah, Luka Chupi was more closer to me, I would say. Yeah, it was based in Gwalior and all of that, but she was still a little more modern-headed girl,
Okay.
you know. So कई characters होंगे जो मुझे अपने से close भी लगे, पर मुझे वो film या वो setup जो है वो बहुत interesting लग रहा है to be a part of, you know, as a film. So sometimes it's that, but yes, I do like to not do one kind of zone, you know. I want to like break away and do something different. Thankfully, I've not been typecasted yet, what we say, you know. And that's great for an actor because I don't want to limit myself in one zone, you know. I like watching all kind of films, so I would love to also be in all kind of films and, you know, have that variety on my platter.
Of course, and then there's Houseful 4 to get the.
So I love balancing
200
it
crore.
also.
Yeah, you've
know,
been
I
balancing
love balancing it because I feel कि audience बहुत अलग-अलग तरह की है. You know, सबको एक तरह की फिल्में नहीं पसंद. So there are a lot of people who want to watch a fully commercial masala film. Also, I've been one of them. So I would love to do even that. You know, otherwise I will also get boring for myself and for the audience if I'm doing the same thing. Like Bareilly के बाद, there was a point where I had only small town roles being offered to me.
Okay.
And before Bareilly, people used to say that, oh, you're too urban to play this. So I feel like एक बार वो mold जो है वो टूट जाता है ना और कुछ दिखता है अलग कि अरे ऐसी भी दिख सकती है. Then I kind of was getting lines say like small town and I was like I don't want to do so many in one world. You know, so it was important for me to also break away, do a Houseful or break away, do a Panipat and come back to a, you know, Luka Chupi or come back to a Mimi and, you know, now like for me to break away and do a Bhediya, which is a very different world, or to do an Adi Purush or to do a Ganpat, which makes me look very different from any of the other characters. I just feel that that is exciting and it's important. It's important to keep like reinventing yourself and not do the same thing again and again, though that same thing is easier. Hi guys, I'm Kriti Sanin and you're watching Bollywood Hangama with Faridun. Keep on watching.